want to know how to make beats like this? Well, you're going to find out in today's video because I'm going to be showing you how to make beats on GarageBand, especially the way I did it. Let's get it.
Looking for cheap, just like a mouse. I'm a young rock. I got a machine turned to a poodle. Back in the days, you did eat toast with strudel. I got Alexa, you still using Google. If you ain't gang, use a microwave. I'm a big dog, put me in the cage. I'm pink, just like some lemonade. You yellow, I'm beige. What you gotta say? I like blues, but I listen to hip hop. She like me so much that she wearing my book.
It's good, my young ramen noodles. It's your boy Noodle Too Spicy, and we back again with another video, man. Listen, guys, today I'm gonna be showing all you beginner producers how to make pro beats like how I did on GarageBand with just a simple phone. Now this here is an iPhone 7 and I made that fire beat on this iPhone 7 right here, guys. So I'm gonna be showing you how to make beats on GarageBand, especially on a phone. And then I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a producer tag after. But you gotta like this video and you gotta hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you can know every time I post, man. It's simple, y'all. But let's get into it. So basically what you want to do is you want to download the app GarageBand and go to it. Alright, now that you got the app open, what you want to do now is press the plus sign where it says new song. Alright, so as you guys can see up on my screen, I already have a beat made, but I'm going to show you guys how I make my beat. Now, the first thing you want to do is add your instrument melody. You can either make an instrument melody from scratch, or you can press the little loop button at the top and then press Apple Loops, and then get your instrument melody from there. It's really up to you guys. Alright, so this is my first instrument melody that I chose. I chose like a little flute type melody, and I'm basically just going to play it for you guys. Alright, so this is the second and third melody that I chose. I chose like a little guitar type melody, and I'm basically just gonna play that out for you guys too. Alright, so those were basically my instrument melodies. Now I'm going to show you guys how I make my 808s. Now I know you guys can't see me doing it on the screen, but what you want to do is go out of the project and find the piano button and press it. Then when you get to the piano keys, you should see a little arrow at the top and then you want to press it. Now whatever piano you chose, you want to press that. Then press Alchemy Synth. I don't know how to pronounce it, but you want to press that and then go to bass, and then you should see 808 bass. Now, if you don't have the 808 bass button on there, no need to worry because I'm going to show you guys how to get it. Now, what you want to do is exit out your project and then find the drums button and press it. Now that you found the drums button, what you want to do is press the arrow at the top and press SoCal or whatever drum set they put you on. And then press at the top where it says get more drum kits. Now what you want to do is find where it says flex and flow. Now if you don't so happen to see the flex and flow button in the sound library when you press get more drum kits, no need to worry because all you have to do is press where it says see all, and then you'll see it when you scroll down eventually. Alright, now that you guys press flex and flow, what you want to do is press download or get. I don't know what buttons you guys have. People have different phones, so they have different buttons on different apps. So you want to press download or get. Either way, it's the same thing. But what you want to do is download Flex and Flow. Alright, so now that you guys have Flex and Flow, it's time to make your 808 bass. Now remember, if you're trying to become a great producer, your 808 bass is always important. This is basically the 808 bass I made. I'm just going to play it out for you guys. Now, if you're also trying to get your bass booming like how mine is, what you want to do is you want to slide over on your 808 bass, and then you want to press that settings tool button or whatever that is. Then you want to press track controls, then scroll down to where it says plugins and EQ. Then you should see a distortion button or however you pronounce it, and then turn the drive up to about 14.0. But if you don't have this button, what you want to do is you want to press the edit button, then press where it says none, and then press that plus sign, and then you should see the distortion button right there. So now that you got your bass boomer, what you want to do now is add your hi-hats. I personally didn't make my hi-hats from scratch. I got my hi-hats from Apple Loops when you press the loop button at the top. Now I'm going to just let you guys have a quick listen on how my hi-hats sound. Alright, so the next thing I did was add a little drum cymbal for the beat drop, but you guys don't have to do this. This is just what I did. Now I'm going to just let you guys hear how it sounds. Alright, now that you guys heard how my drum cymbal sounds, this leads me to the next thing that I did. Alright, so the next thing that I did was add double percussion knocks, but you guys don't have to do this because not every beat has double percussion in it. But this is what I did. Like I said, you guys don't have to do everything that I did in this tutorial, but if you want to, you can. Like I said, it's up to you guys. Now, I'm gonna let you guys hear how the double percussion knock sound that I put in it. Now the next thing you want to do is add your clap snare. Now I got my clap snare from this website called freedrumkits.net. The link will be in the description below if you want to go to the website and download your own drum kit so you can get a good clapping snare. Now before I let you guys hear my clapping snare, I'm going to show you guys how to download your drum kit so you can have a good clapping snare. Alright, so what you want to do is search up freedrumkits.net. Then you want to scroll down to all the drum kits. Now you guys can choose any option that you want to, but I scrolled down and chose the Lil Uzi Vert one because it had the clapping snare that I'm about to show you guys. So the next thing you want to do is click on it and press download. Alright, now that it's done downloading, what you want to do now is press the arrow at the top and it should automatically send you to your files. And then you want to click on it. Alright, now that you've clicked on it, what you want to do is press quick look. Then press preview content. Then keep scrolling past until you find a clap snare that you like. There's like 5 or 6 of them. I really don't know how much is on here, but depending on what drum kit you choose, there's probably like 7 or 8. I really don't know how much, but just choose the clap snare that you like and just put it into the beat. Then you want to scroll down and press save to files. Alright, what you want to do now is go back to GarageBand and press the little loop button at the top and go to files. So what you want to do now is click on the clap snare that you saved to files, and it should be in this little area right here. And then you want to click on it, and then you want to drag it to the beat, and you're done. Alright, now that I finally taught you guys how to do all that, I'm going to let you guys hear my clapping snare. Alright, so now what you want to do is add your producer tag, but you don't have to do it. But if you're trying to sell your beats, you have to add your producer tag so no one else won't use your beat and claim that it's theirs. And I'll show you guys how to make a producer tag in another video, but for now, I'm going to show you guys what I got. Oh guys, and I forgot to mention this. Choose your tempo. Now, you personally don't have to do this. You can use a demo tempo that it came with, but that's basically what I did. I set my tempo to 118. Now, I know you guys are in the comment section asking, well, Noodle, how do you set the tempo? Well, no need to worry because that is very easy peasy lemon squeezy. So what you want to do is you want to press the settings tool button at the top right and press tempo. You can set the tempo up to wherever you want to set it up to. I personally set it up to 118, but you don't have to set it up to 118 like I did. You can set the tempo up to wherever it makes you happy, but I ain't gonna lie, the tempo don't even matter. However fast the beat is how fast it is. Alright guys, now it's time for the final product. Let's crank this bad boy up a notch.
Young Sniper made this beat.
Real trap shit.
Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this video / tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed the beat. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and make sure you hit that post notification bell so you can know every time I post. It's your boy Noodle Too Spicy, and I'm out. Peace.
When I went to the school, I was up in the dirt. Talking bad about the game, that's the stuff get you murdered. When I was in class, all I did was rehearse. With my squad in the race, we be finishing first. I remember the